Hello po, ma'am. Ano po yung pangalan ninyo?
Gladys Tolete.
Okay, so, pwede po ba mag-ask ng questions about math?
Sure.
So, question number 1, why is math important to us?
Math is very important to us in our daily lives because first things first, we use math in counting our monies, and especially when we do things, especially in baking, we measure things because once we measure, we use numbers so that we know how much or how many are we going to use, or yeah, that's all.
So, question number 2, what is math to you?
For me, math is just a basic thing in our life, basic necessity. Because without it, we're just like jerks or idiot person who's walking around and doesn't know anything.
So, good. Question number 3, how do you see math in our daily lives?
I see math in our everyday lives. For me, as an HRM student, I deal with math. First in accountancy and dealing with people. Without math, if I don't know how to count, because math deals with counting, if I don't know how to count, then how will I know the number of person that I'm serving or talking with?
Question number 4 is, if there is no math, what will happen to us?
As I said before, we look like jerks and idiots without math. Because we can be, the word is, we can be, yung lolokohin ba tayo ng kapwa natin kung hindi tayo marunong sa math. Meron kasing scene na when you go to a store and you don't know how to compute, then pwede kang dayain sa pagsusukli or yung magkano yung babayaran mo. Ganun kasi ang nangyayari sa akin.
Question number 5, can you consider 0 as a number and why?
I consider 0, well, actually 0 is a real number, right? Or no? Well, actually I forgot kung but I consider it as a number because when we count, where do you put afterwards the 0? Ba 1 to 9, then 10. So 0 is already considered as a number. Pero there's an explanation to that and I forgot about it.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you po.